If you've been looking into prop trading in 2026, you've probably come across DayTraders. And like many traders right now, you're probably asking, is DayTraders actually the best prop firm, or just another overhyped platform? Let's break it down honestly. First, let's quickly understand what a prop firm is. A proprietary trading firm gives you access to funded capital so you can trade without risking your own money. Instead, you follow their rules, pass an evaluation, and then share profits. So where does DayTraders fit into this? DayTraders has been gaining attention because it focuses on simplicity and fast access to funding, which is something many traders are looking for in 2026. Unlike some older prop firms that have complicated evaluation systems, DayTraders tries to keep things more straightforward. Typically, the process looks like this. You pay for a challenge or evaluation, you meet specific trading targets, you follow risk management rules, and if you pass, you get access to funded capital. Now, one of the biggest selling points of DayTraders is its fast evaluation model. Some users report that you can get funded quicker compared to traditional firms that require multiple phases. This is a huge advantage if you already have experience and don't want to spend weeks or months in evaluation. Another thing that stands out is the profit split. DayTraders offers competitive profit-sharing models, often allowing traders to keep a large percentage of their profits. This is a big deal because, at the end of the day, what matters most is how much you actually take home. They also promote flexible trading styles, the ability to trade different markets, and relatively simple rules compared to some competitors. But now let's talk about the other side, because this is where many people get caught. One of the biggest concerns with newer prop firms like DayTraders is transparency. Since it's not as established as some of the older names in the industry, there's less long-term data about payout reliability, company stability, and how they perform over time. And in the prop firm world, this matters a lot. Because no matter how good the conditions look, if payouts are inconsistent or delayed, that's a major red flag. Another thing to consider is risk rules. Even if the rules seem simple, you still need to follow strict guidelines like maximum drawdown, daily loss limits, profit targets. If you break any of these, you can lose your account instantly. So while DayTraders may feel easier to start with, it doesn't mean it's easier to succeed. Now let's compare it to the broader market. In 2026, the prop trading space is more competitive than ever. There are many firms offering high funding accounts, fast evaluations, and aggressive marketing. So DayTraders is not alone. It's part of a growing trend where firms try to attract traders with speed and simplicity. But that also means you need to be more careful. Because sometimes what looks like easy funding can come with hidden challenges or strict rules behind the scenes. Now let's get to the most important part. Is DayTraders the best prop firm in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on who you are as a trader. If you are an experienced trader looking for fast funding and comfortable managing strict risk rules, then DayTraders could be a good option to try. But if you are a beginner looking for long-term stability or want a firm with a strong track record, then you might want to compare it with more established prop firms before making a decision. Because in this space, reputation and consistency matter just as much as features. So here's the real conclusion. DayTraders is not necessarily the best prop firm, but it is one of the most interesting emerging options in 2026. It offers speed, simplicity, and attractive profit potential. But like any prop firm, it also comes with risks, rules, and uncertainty. And at the end of the day, success doesn't depend on the firm, it depends on your strategy, discipline, and risk management. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. Would you try DayTraders, or do you prefer more established prop firms?